Dear viewers, today there will be an unboxing video. It's not a review, just unboxing. So this is a connect to cell handset. It has two handsets, and my target is to use this for connect to cell, not as a land phone. I don't have landline, and I don't want to pay extra for the landline. Sometimes we are too distracted by the mobile phone. That's why I am planning to use this if it will help to it will help to reduce my distraction. Okay. So inside one handset, another set. Okay, and charger, two batteries, normally these phones are plugged in, and the battery backup is not for long time, as we have battery backup in our phone for longer time, but this is only 300 milliamp per hour, very small battery. Okay, phone card, I don't need this at all. Okay, and this is the main base. This is this one to hang the handset. Okay, this is the charging station for the second handset. Okay, so what about thing? This charger will over there. Okay. The handset and the battery. Okay, and this side is up, and then it's not connected with any base. That's what is showing out of range. The second handset the same way. This side is up. Okay, none of this handset has enough charges. I'm gonna plug this first. So I have plugged them into the charging station. So you can see this is getting charged, and also it's getting charged. So this is just an unboxing video. So next video I'll show how to connect the Bluetooth with this phone and use this handset. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.